I want to tell you guys all about an app called Boards, kind of like short for keyboards. Okay, Boards is an app that'll make booking and coaching so much easier. Not that it's hard, but I find even myself, and I'm fluent in booking and coaching, having to go between my notes app or be scrolling through my phone to try to find the right photo that's the booking photo. It can take up a lot of time, and sometimes I choose the wrong thing or I copy and paste the wrong thing. And so this app called Boards has helped us bring all of that together and make it a part of your keyboard on your phone, which I just think is so genius. So prior to emojis just like being a part of our phones, you used to have to download an emoji keyboard. That was like an additional keyboard that you could like swipe to when typing a message. This is the same kind of thing. When you download Boards, you're going to give your phone permission to add it to your keyboards, which it walks you through how to do, right? So you don't have to worry about how to do that. Once you download the app and you open it, it'll show you and it will ask for permission to be added to your boards. But once it is a part of your boards, I want to show you what this might look like, okay? I have a text message up with Monique right now. So when you go like this to start typing, you'll notice there's this little world button right there. If I click the world button, nope, it's not the world button. Sorry. No, it is the world button. Yes. When I clicked it again for the second time, it came up like this. Okay, so what you're seeing now, I apologize for this lighting. I can't make a video on my phone showing you how to do this on my phone, okay? So you'll notice that it says virtual beauty bar. There's a folder right here that says customer group post and one that says individual booking. So if I were to click on that, I now have the image for the virtual beauty bar and the initial booking text, as well as a text that you send after they say yes. So if I wanted to send this to Monique, all I would do is I would click on the photo. It says copied, ready to be pasted. I go up here and I paste. There's my photo. And if I want to have the text go on, I just click booking text and there it is. Now, one of the things you will want to make sure of is that sometimes these text messages say, hey girl, or they say, hey, with like name in there. And so you'll just want to make sure you read it over really quick to make sure you can make any changes to that. But essentially I had to do like 2 clicks and there's the image and that, and I didn't have to quit out of my messages app, which I just think is so genius, okay? So I won't send that to Monique now, so hopefully Monique doesn't get that by accident. But that's the virtual beauty bar group. The next one down is bedtime beauty. So there's the image for bedtime beauty. There's an initial booking text, and then there's a text for when they say yes. And then there are texts for like text number 3 has in parentheses questions. Like after they say yes, I want to be on, we have to ask them about their skin, right? So then I would click text number 3 after they say yes to number 2. And that has the questions for what I need to know about their skin. So it really is self-explanatory within these boards of where you go next, okay? After bedtime beauty, there are icons of 2 little hearts, and that's our Power of Pink. So there's the invite for Power of Pink and the initial booking text. Beneath it is a birthday horn because this is the birthday bash. So for the birthday bash, we have the initial booking text, and then there's a text if they say yes, and a text if they say no, because maybe they're not available on the date of the birthday bash. And so we want to book them for their own thing. So if you'll follow the prompts, either the yes text or the no text, based on what they say to your initial text. Then we have a lipstick icon for shake up your makeup, again, with all the text that you need in order of how you would use them. And then then I have a little flower for the beauty refresh. I launched the beauty refresh as a booking idea back in January. And so there's a picture of skincare and makeup beauty refreshes with the text that you would need for both. Underneath it is the 100 symbol because that's our 100 face challenge. So we have our booking folder and our coaching folder. So there's the booking folder with the image and also the text messages you would need. If I go back, coaching has the Besties Hostess program and your texts with how you would ask her to invite some friends. Awesome. And the last one has a money sign. And this one I think is one of the things I'm most excited about. It has coaching images. So we've talked about how if someone's in the virtual beauty bar group, make sure that they register on your website for a $5 gift card and that they download the Skin Analyzer app and get a $10 gift card that way. these are the pictures of those two things and the text that you would send, not only to say, hey, I want to give you a gift card, but also here's the text about how to register and get the $5 one for the website and the $10 one for Skin Analyzer. So this is a board in my phone, and if you want to get out of it, you just click the world button again. There we go. I'm back to my regular board. I think I just sent Monique I have so many scripts that just put in there. So you'll have to make sure you're paying attention. But remember, to get to that, you click the little world down there, and here we go. All of the things you need all are on this sidebar right here. Oops, as I just click random things, and then you can get right back to your board. Okay, so all of the information about these boards are on our website, www.jurek.com, jurek.com. The password is Mary K Jam, all one word, exclamation point, and the capital letters are capital M, capital K, and then the entire word of jam is capitalized, okay? So if you go there and you go to Pink Boot Camp 2 under booking and coaching, it's just the first place that I thought of to put this because this is booking and coaching, but I'll probably add it somewhere else too. But go to Pink Boot Camp 2 booking and coaching. There's this video, but yet there's also going to be links to each of the boards that I have created. So you don't have to worry about creating any of these images or scripts or adding them in. I've already done it for you. All you need to do is download the app called Boards, right? I'll show you what the app looks like. All you have to do is download the app Boards, okay? And then you have to open it. You're going to follow the prompts for how to allow access for your keyboards for this to be added. And then I want you to go to Allison's our website. I'm so used to saying Allison's website. Go to our website, and if you click on each of the links, it will give you access to each of these boards. And that's it. Then you're done. If you have questions about this, watch this video, download the app, and if there's still problems figuring it out, contact your director or Google it, because trying to figure out how to give your phone access to things is really easy to also just Google. But I hope that you're excited about this. I don't know if not having scripts or images readily available has ever been the thing that stopped you from booking or from coaching, because you're like, oh gosh, I don't remember where the script is, or I don't have time to go to Allison, go to the website on my phone and get the thing and blah blah blah. You don't need to worry about it anymore. It's all in this app. So download the app Boards and then follow the directions to set it up, and then go to our website under Pink Boot Camp 2 and click on each of the links for each of our events, and you will have access to all of the boards. I hope that you guys are excited about this. Once you're done doing it or downloading it, text one of us, text your director and tell her that you've downloaded it, and send a text to her. Send one of these sample text messages to her so she knows that you got it and you are rocking it. But I hope that you're excited about this and this new tool that can really, I think, revolutionize and make it so simple, our booking and our coaching.